Hook. Imagine starting your day without chaos, without a messy to-do list, and without that foggy feeling of, I don't even know where to start. In this short, I'll show you one AI prompt you can use every morning to turn your random thoughts into a clear, realistic plan for the day in under 2 minutes. Value. Here's the problem. Most people open their phone, check messages, scroll social media, and then try to work while their brain is already overloaded. Instead, I want you to try this simple AI-focused ritual. Step 1. Brain dump. Open ChatGPT and type everything that's on your mind. Tasks, worries, deadlines. People to reply to, half-finished projects. Don't organize, don't judge, just dump. Step 2. Use this prompt. You're my focus coach. Take this messy list and turn it into 3 categories. 1. High-impact tasks that move my goals forward. 2. Admin tasks that must be done today. 3. Things that can wait. Then suggest a simple schedule between your available hours with realistic time blocks and short breaks. Step 3. Actually follow the plan. Copy the 3 high-impact tasks to a note or whiteboard, and make a deal with yourself. No random scrolling until those are done. If something unexpected appears, you can always throw it into tomorrow's AI session. Over a week, this tiny system will reduce mental noise, help you focus on what truly matters, and make you feel more in control of your time. CTA. If you want me to share a copy-paste template of this AI-focused prompt, you can save in your notes and use every morning. Save this video, hit like, and comment. Focus. So I know to record a full breakdown with extra examples.